Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to edit photos in PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application in case you have not to it right now. Now let us simply look at how to edit the photos. Right here, you can see a button like this called Edit at the very top, but you can see lots of options like AI Enhance, Removal and everything. But for now, all we're gonna do is click on Edit. Well, once you click on it, simply select the image of your choice. Let's say I select this one right here. Well guys, this is it. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options like AI removal, wire removal, mosaic, crop and everything. From here, as you can see, lots of options. You can add text, enhance, portrait and effects. This is it guys. This is how you can edit photos in PhotoDirector. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.